Imagine riding down a peaceful countryside road, surrounded by fresh air, open space, and nothing but freedom ahead of you. Now imagine doing all of that with your very own tiny home rolling behind you, a home that doesn't need fuel, doesn't need rent, and doesn't need anything more than your own pedaling power. That's exactly what this incredible bike camper is designed for. What you're looking at is a compact, ultra-light, and beautifully built bicycle tow camper that turns simple cycling into a full mobile lifestyle. At first glance, the camper looks like a miniature vintage travel trailer, with a soft cream-colored exterior that immediately gives off a cozy, retro charm. The rounded front curve is not only stylish but also helps reduce drag while riding, making the entire setup surprisingly easy to pull even on long routes. Attached to the front is a sturdy black bicycle frame, specially reinforced to handle additional weight without compromising balance. The bike has a wide, comfortable saddle, upright handlebars, and a large front light, perfect for nighttime riding or low-visibility travel. Its thick front tire grips the road well, making off-road or gravel paths manageable without slipping. Everything has been engineered to keep the ride stable, even with the camper behind you. Now let's look closely at the camper itself. Its walls are built from lightweight insulated panels, meaning it keeps you warm during cold nights and cool on hot days. The smooth beige finish reflects sunlight, preventing overheating, while the horizontal wooden trim running across the sides adds both strength and a beautiful handcrafted touch. Each window is perfectly shaped to maximize ventilation and natural light. The front window has a gentle curve to match the camper's body, while the side window is rectangular, offering a clear view of the surroundings whenever you stop to rest. These windows open slightly, allowing airflow while still protecting the inside from dust and insects. Just above the camper roof, there's a sleek metal rack, ideal for carrying extra gear like a sleeping bag, small solar panel, backpack, or cooking kit. This roof rack allows you to travel with everything you need without overcrowding the interior. Speaking of the interior, even though we can't see inside from this angle, the design usually supports a small sleeping mat, storage compartments, and enough space to organize your essentials for long journeys. It's basically your personal micro-home on wheels. The camper sits on two reinforced wheels matched with durable fenders, keeping mud and water away as you ride through rough terrain. These wheels are spaced just wide enough to keep the camper stable even during turns or sudden stops. The rear reflectors are clearly visible, adding safety when traveling on roads shared with vehicles. Every part of this design thoughtfully focuses on combining mobility, comfort, and practicality. The overall setup brings a unique lifestyle concept to life. It's ideal for budget travelers, adventure cyclists, off-grid explorers, or even people who want a minimalistic home solution without stress or bills. This tiny rolling shelter is also perfect for remote camping, weekend getaways, and sustainable living. Since it doesn't rely on fuel, it's completely eco-friendly, making it a great fit for modern travelers who care about the environment. Picture yourself taking it into nature, parking beside a river, under tall trees, or near mountain views like the landscape in the background. The greenery, the fresh atmosphere, and the open terrain all complement the peaceful experience this camper offers. You can stop anywhere, cook a simple meal, rest inside, or continue riding toward your next destination at your own pace. What makes this camper truly amazing is that it doesn't require a big budget. Compared to traditional RVs or caravans, this is lightweight, affordable, and easy to maintain. No expensive repairs, no license, no fuel cost, and no complicated systems. It's mobility in its purest form. Anyone can use it: students, travelers, adventurers, or people needing a temporary or portable shelter solution. This setup also encourages a slower, more mindful kind of travel. Instead of rushing, you enjoy the journey itself. Every hill, every curve, every open path becomes part of the experience. You